What if the air fryer sitting on your counter right now is secretly the worst one you could own? What if it's uneven, slow, and wasting your money on electricity? Our team tested 12 of the top-rated air fryers of 2025. We cooked thousands of fries, dozens of chickens, and enough frozen wings to feed a stadium. We measured crispiness, cook time, and ease of cleaning. The results were clearer than we ever imagined. One model didn't just win, it completely dominated the competition. And the number 5 pick? It might be the one you currently own. All the links for your best deals are in the description. Let's find your next kitchen superstar. Starting at number 1. Ninja AF1014 4-quart air fryer. Ninja is a popular brand with a number of different air fryer sizes and models. The AF101 is one of the most popular versions, with over 9,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. We love it, too, thanks to the range of cooking features, including air frying, dehydrating, roasting, and warming. The compact size is an added bonus. You can store it in the cabinets or leave it on the counter without taking up too much space. Capacity ranges from 4 to 6.5 quarts, so it's definitely better suited for smaller servings. That said, we particularly love that the nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 2. Cuisinart Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This multifunctional air fryer can replace several appliances in your kitchen. Not only does it air fry, it can also serve as a grill, oven, broiler, toaster, and warmer. While it doesn't come with any pre-programmed settings, each knob is clearly labeled for max user-friendliness. Temperatures get up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, so you can cook your favorite foods to crispy perfection. It's even big enough to cook a 12-inch pizza. Number 3. GoWISE USA 12.7-quart electric air fryer oven with rotisserie and dehydrator. This air fryer may not look like other models, but it does boast an impressive array of functions and accessories. There are mesh trays ideal for dehydrating, 3 different types of rotisseries, oven racks, and even a handy drip tray. On top of all that, the air fryer has 15 different presets. The glass door makes it easy to see how things are cooking inside, helped along by a light switch. Number 4. Cuisinart Air 200 Basket Air Fryer. The trouble with most air fryers is that you can't see the food cooking inside. You'd have to open the basket and lose precious heat to check how things are going. Enter the Cuisinart Air 200 Basket Air Fryer. This 6-quart appliance from kitchen darling Cuisinart has a clear glass window on the front so you can easily monitor your meal. During testing, we love the clear digital display, the cooking presets, and the alerting features that tell you when to shake or flip your food. Number 5. Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 Air Fryer. When asked which of the 4 air fryers was Nicole's favorite, she said, "I'm going to have to say the Ninja DZ201. I don't prefer the long rectangular basket over the round basket of the other Ninja, but the dual baskets allowing different cook times and temps is a big selling point. Actually, of all the air fryers we've tested, it's our favorite, too. The dual baskets, with individual temperature controls, make it easy to cook both entrees and sides all at once. There's even a smart finish function that ensures both trays end cooking at the same time, so one doesn't grow cold while waiting for the other. It's a slick and attractive air fryer that more than earns its spot on the kitchen counter. And that's the champion. The air fryer that aced every single test we threw at it. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? We've done the hard work for you. All the product links to find the best prices on our top picks are waiting for you in the video description down below. Those are our affiliate links, which support our channel and allow us to do massive tests like this at no extra cost to you. If this review saved you from buying a dud and helped you find the perfect air fryer, please like this video. It tells YouTube you found it helpful. Share it with a friend or family member who's always in the kitchen. And for more brutally honest appliance reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what we test next. Happy cooking!